Over 350 billion chips have been shipped with Arm. We're the most pervasive computer architecture ever invented.
We touch 100% of the connected population. Anyone with any digital device is likely using Arm.
Arm is one of the great secrets of the technology space. People use Arm technology every day, multiple times.
When you look at the Arm ecosystem, it is the de facto platform that everybody is building on top of.
We deal with an immensely different range of different companies. In some cases, they take our compute subsystem and put their technology alongside that. But an increasing number of partners are saying, actually, we're not experts in building silicon. We would like to have an Arm-based solution. We chose for many years not to build silicon because really, Arm is all about what our partners want, and that gave us the IP business that we've got. That will be continuing an important part of what we do going forward.
So the IP and the CSS roadmaps remain unchanged. We get this tight coupling of lessons that we learn from doing silicon development that feeds back into the current generations of IP development, which the whole ecosystem, however they engage with Arm, will benefit from.
And it's all about choice. And it depends on where the ecosystem is at and where customers want to engage with us around that.
And the Arm silicon will combine all of the goodness of all of our technologies, and it's got enhancements to scalable vector extensions that allow you to provide higher quality computing for AI as well.
AI is moving incredibly fast. I think every day you wake up and there's a new technology around AI.
Think about where we're going to be in AI 20 years from now. And then think about the fact that everything's growing faster today than it was 20 years ago.
The world is evolving to adopt AI, and so more and more what we're seeing are these optimized systems, these optimized platforms. That is the perfect home for a product like the Arm AGI CPU.
In the era of agentic AI, the Arm AGI CPU was really purpose-built for these agentic AI workloads, and specifically for AGI in the future. So that's really how this brand will really stand up.
So as we've learned with AI, we're starting to learn more and more about customers' workloads, their applications, what they need. And what we're finding is that the AI solutions today are very, very power hungry.
Power reduction is a constant battle, and Arm has an architectural advantage for getting more performance at lower power.
The product was designed to run on batteries, which is why the product is so pervasive. But any CPU is only as pervasive as the software that runs on it, and that's really the ecosystem.
Compared to the other processors that are out there today, Arm has power efficiency. It gives customers options that they don't currently have today.
Arm AGI enables a true dual-socket server that we can fit into any existing air-cooled data center. And it represents a focus on efficiency that I think we've lost. And it also is a focus on performance.
I'm excited about these new Arm silicon-based systems because it allows customers to have more choices. And we do believe that this is going to be a game changer.
It's amazing to be a part of bringing this technology and the value and the benefits of this technology to as many people as possible.
For Arm to build its own silicon, the first thing we had to understand is what our customers go through to build their own versions. There's a bunch of things that you have to do that we kind of knew about, but now we understand much better.
We really focus on really robust, disciplined design practices, and the team has really stepped up. The amount of dedication, just all-in buy-in for this project has been just outstanding. You know, for me to be a part of this team, to work alongside many of the people that I see, working hard in the labs at night or putting in their all to kind of solve that late night issue, that's an incredibly rewarding experience.
And when the silicon came back and it worked and it's up and running and the software's running and the team's excited and we ship to our customer and our customer has it up and running, the feeling's absolutely amazing.
I remember the email that I got saying it's alive. That was a wow moment. It meant that I could ping the CEO and say it's alive. The wow moments won't be just one. It's just going to be a series of them every other week.
To build a world-class product like the Arm AGI CPU, it takes a lot of people, a lot of resources. And we didn't do it overnight, but we did it pretty quick. That's the way you have to do things in this market today. Speed matters, and I couldn't be more proud of the team to make it happen.
I look at this as a chapter in a long novel, and we're just getting started. It's going to be groundbreaking.
And I feel immensely proud to have worked for Arm and to work with some amazing people to achieve that transformation to the company, but the transformation to the industry and to the world.